Want to know how to export your file in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily export your file with different formats in Audacity. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now, before exporting, make sure you have it saved. So we have also created a video on how to save your project. And to quick save, just simply select Ctrl+S and you're good to go. Now, once you've done that, on the top left side, you should be seeing this file navigation. Just simply select it. And now here you should be seeing export audio. Just simply select export audio and now select where you like to export. Now, you can just simply type in your file name, anything. And now just simply browse up your file to where you want to be exported. Now, next thing is format. So this is the most interesting and important part. So just simply select this drop down box right here and select which format that you want to export in. You can go from MP3, MP2 and much more, and that's it. And once that is done, you can also change audio options with encoding bits, sample rate, and then select export finally, and then your audio should be exported. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can double check and if your audio has been exported to that file you had chosen to. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.